So we're going to be talking about angle pair definitions. In particular, we're going to start with two lines that are parallel. And this is a transversal, a line that cuts through both of these. First line is going to be called line 1, and second line we'll call line 2. Usually we use cursive letters for lines, so line 1 is parallel to line 2. Another way of noting that is just putting a little symbol like this. These are parallel. T is our transversal, which is a line that cuts through both of the parallel lines. Now there are angle pairs that we're going to be talking about. We're going to first label our angles. So either the angles pairs that we're going to be talking about are going to be congruent or equal, or they're going to be supplementary or add to 180 degrees. So let's talk about these right away. First one, the equal ones they're going to be called vertical angles. This is one choice. And these are vertical angles or angle pairs that are across from each other that are equal. For example, 1 is equal to 4. It really doesn't have anything to do with the two lines. It's just because they're across. 2 is across or equal to 3. Similarly, 5 is vertical to 7 and congruent, and 6 is equal to 8. Next one that we're going to talk about are alternate interior angles. Now these are pairs of angles that are congruent. Interior means that they're between, the region is between the two parallel lines, so this is the interior, and alternate alternates either sides of the transversal. So we have 4 is equal to 5, and angle 3 is equal to angle 6. The last one that we're talking about today are the corresponding angles, sorry about that. And these are all equal. They're in the same location on the first line relative to the second line. For example, I'm going to go with my marker. Angle 1 is in the upper right quadrant, and that corresponds to angle 5. They're in the same spot. 1 is equal to 5. And the other corresponding angles would be 3 corresponds to 8. Let's see if we can find the other two pairs. 2 is equal to 6, and similarly, we can say 4 is equal to 7. Now, let's go over to the supplementary angles. The angles that are supplementary add to 180 degrees. The ones at a straight angle are the ones that just are like something like this. They're on a straight angle and they add to 180 degrees. So we can say that 1 plus 3 is equal to 180. Because these are supplementary, we're going to say definition of supplementary angles. And there's other pairs too. We could say, for example, 2 plus 4, or we could say 6 plus 7. There's so many. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 8 pairs. I'd say 6 plus 7 equals 180 degrees because those are supplementary angles by definition, and they're on a straight angle. Now let's do the last thing is we're going to talk about is same side interior. They're on the same side of the transversal and they're interior. There's two sets of these. 3 plus 5 equals 180. Those are supplementary. Similarly, 4 plus 6 is equal to 180. These are the building blocks, we'll move this up a little bit, for our line proofs that we're going to get to in the next section. Thank you.